Hey everybody, how you doing? Mike Moulton here from B Home Solutions, coming at you today with this week's real estate quick tip. Today's question I got was around, there's a lot of different types of properties around the foreclosure area, and what are the different types? So I've had a question on what's the difference between buying a short sale, an REO foreclosure, or a HUD foreclosure. Well, I'm going to tell you right now, the short sale comes before a foreclosure happens at the courthouse steps. A HUD foreclosure and an REO foreclosure happens after the property goes to sale at the courthouse steps. So if you're buying a short sale, you're basically working to try to get a deal on the property and asking the lender to take a short payoff before the property goes to foreclosure, because we're showing that it's better for the lender to actually sell it before it goes to sale. A HUD foreclosure is basically an FHA. It's a property that went to foreclosure that had an FHA mortgage on it, and what happened was the lender went ahead and deeded the property back to the Secretary of HUD, and that's Housing and Urban Development Department, and they're basically offering the property back for sale, and that can be sold with a broker that has a certain certification to be able to sell these properties, is able to make offers on them and whatnot. An actual REO property means real estate owned. That is probably not an FHA mortgage. And basically what happened is the property went to sale, no one bought it at the courthouse steps, and then the property now is available as a bank-owned property, or REO, which stands for real estate owned. So, in today's market, all three of these are a great way to get deals. A lot of times with the HUD properties, they need a little more work, but even now we're seeing that's not always the case. So I just thought I'd clarify that for you in this week's quick real estate tip. Feel free to visit our website at bhomesolutions.com and give us a call if we can help you with any of these. Thank you. Have a great week.